Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today our topic is say the letter sounds and trace the capital letters. Now start. N, nest. O, orange. P, pear. Q, quill. R, ring. S, sun. T, tortoise. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, X-ray. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. Now trace these letters. Now start. N, O. Respected parents, please help your child to complete these capital letters. I hope you understand this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.